Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerlene with Sephora Hollywood and Highland, and today I'm showing you guys how to get my matte complexion for dry skin. If you guys want to see how to get this look, keep on watching. Hey guys, so my eyes, brows, and lips and skin prep with moisturizer is already finished, so I'm gonna hop right into complexion. So first I'm going in with my Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Primer. I really love this primer for smoothing out my skin, any fine lines or wrinkles, and it feels very soft to the touch. So I'm going to rub this all over my face, blend it in very well, and then I'll begin adding my foundation. So I'm going in with my Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Longwear Foundation in shade 510. I love using this foundation when I'm going for more of a matte look because it's not too drying for my dry skin type, but yet it does give me that soft matte finish that I desire. So I'm applying the foundation with Sephora Pro Collection brush in number 47. I like to start towards the center of my face, then outward, and I like to use this brush because it gives me the full coverage payoff that I desire. So I'm taking a damp beauty blender all over my face, just everywhere I applied the foundation, just to buff out any fine lines and blend everything seamlessly. And a tip for dry skin, I love to use my beauty blender damped because it does help keep moisture in my skin when using a matte foundation. So next I'm going to be taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shades Caramel and Amande. I like to use two different shades. I like to use Amande underneath my eyes to conceal in a triangular shape, which is called the Triangle of Light, which is going to lift the face and add light to your complexion. So I like to take the same shade underneath my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead just to balance out my face and to accentuate the high points of my face. And next I like to take the concealer in the shade Caramel on top of Amande just to bring more light to my face. So going in with my damp beauty blender again, using the pointy side, I'm going to buff this out. And as you guys may already notice, I'm getting that matte desired look that I'm going for, but it's not looking too dry, and that's the look that you want. And to blend the concealer out on your nose, you want to pinch the damp beauty blender and lightly just tap it out. So taking the butt of the beauty blender, I like to go over all my concealed areas and just buff out any harsh lines. So now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I love this powder. I love it for going underneath my eyes, but for dry skin, you want to make sure you do not bake with it. I like to take my damp beauty blender again and just tap a little bit of powder underneath my eyes just to set anything to prevent any creasing and also to keep that matte look that you're going for. So you just want to take this powder and place it everywhere that you've put concealer just to set everything and make sure everything's nice and matte. So now I'm going in with a Sephora Pro Collection brush in number 50. I like to take this brush and just dust off any excess powder that you have on your face. So now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Match Stick Matte Skin Stick in shade Espresso. We're going to contour my face. And with the matchstick, I'm going to define my cheekbones just a little bit more. I love this product for a matte finish because this is a cream to powder contour. I like taking Sephora's Pro Collection brush in number 74 to buff out this product. It's perfect to fit right into my contour and also fluffy enough to buff out the product. So going back in with my damp beauty blender just to make sure we don't have any harsh lines, you're just going to buff that over your contour and just blend everything out. Taking the same matchstick on my nose, just going to contour my nose as well. Like I said, this product is a cream to matte finish, which is great for the matte effect that we're going for. So just take your damp beauty blender and buff out the harsh lines, and you want to flip it over and continue blending out the product. So now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Berry Amore. We're going to just add a little bit of color and dimension back to the face because when you do a matte finish, it kind of makes the face look a little flat. So I'm going to go into all three shades using the Sephora Pro Collection brush in number 59. This is a great brush to apply your blush because it's light and airy and it's not going to apply too much product. So now to lock in all this matte goodness, we are going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray to seal the deal. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and leave us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys thought about the look. And if you want to keep up with me, my name is Jerlene_Marie, and we'll see you guys later. Bye!